Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight, looking at the hard soaps from Geo F Chumper. Well, we recently did a spotlight looking at the whole wide world of Geo F Chumper, and shortly thereafter, we had just gotten these in. So there's just the norm with Razor Emporium. We're continuing to grow and we're continuing to expand in our product lines. And this has been on my list forever to get. It is the absolute classic, quintessential thing as a wet shaver you're going to see is a wooden bowl of soap on the counter in people's shave of the day videos or shave of the day pictures on Instagram or Facebook or chat rooms. And we've got it. They're here, guys. Rest assured. So we've always stocked the creams that are, more in like the dish. Then we got like the creams that are like in the squeeze tubes, and now we've got the hard soap. So if you didn't already know, these are really nicely made wooden bowls. They have some good weight and heft to them. So the sandalwood I grabbed here, same as the rose I grabbed first. You can see this is like I said, a nice quality bowl. It's got a little lip, so it even stays in place. It's not gonna, come off so easily. It will. I mean, if you tip it over, obviously it's gonna do that. But I think it's really classy to have. And then you've got this big puck of soap here, and the actual weight on this is a 2.5 ounce or 80 gram of soap. So if you can buy it first with the bowl with an insert, and then thereon after you just need to buy the inserts only, unless you just love the bowls. You want to have a new bowl every time, or maybe they get used for jewelry. Your wife, give it to your wife for her earrings, or your cufflinks in the drawer. I mean, there's really a lot of uses for this. I love little stuff like this. Your kids will love them too. It's the same great scents that you've come to love from Geo F Chumper. These are some of the classics that have been around for a long time: sandalwood, rose, almond, limes, eucalyptus, and coconut. So we got them all, and I'm really happy to have these because I feel like we've kind of like the different rings, rings of power, from Lord of the Rings. We got them all now. We've collected all of them, and so filled out the line. If you didn't know though, Geo F Chumper, it is pretty much the epitome of London sophistication. It has been around for more than 150 years. In downtown London, on one of the main streets there, that's kind of the haberdashery area, the fashion area. People get suits made up and hats and fancy colognes and perfumers and shaving soaps like this. They've been at the business for a long time. They have been perfumers for the crown. They've made high quality cosmetics and shaving products for more than a century. And you can have that little slice of London. I really do think that when you try out some of these products, the quality on your face, the way they smell, the invigorating nature. I haven't ever met anyone who doesn't like one of these. I mean, I've said it before, my absolute favorite sandalwood, it even tops my own sandalwood, is the Geo F Chumper sandalwood. Eucalyptus is super popular too. Our video person, Ashley, was commenting how nice the rose smelled. I said, yeah, I mean, I've used this on my wife's legs before to shave a little, treat for her. The limes, of course, it's like you're, cutting into a fresh lime. I mean, they're so nice and high quality. And now you can have the whole thing. You can have the whole package, whether you want the cream to travel with, the big tub of cream on your counter, or the hard soap on your counter. You got them all. That's Geo F Chumper. We will go through some of these scents though and read out the notes to you guys, because I think hearing about it's kind of like salivating, tantalizing. You got to really know all the notes. Eucalyptus embodies the warm, sensual beauty of sandalwood, musk, and moss, and is enhanced by a heart of rich, honey-like jasmine and exquisite muguet. Next up is rose, and man, does it smell like fresh flowers, freshly cut roses. It's invigorating. It's just wonderful. Sandalwood. Made using natural sandalwood oil from the Mayors region of India, mystery and sensuality smolder beneath the velvet layers of our sandalwood. Limes. Bright green bursts of life force charge from the tangy sharpness of our extract of limes. The coconut smells fresh like an island breeze, almost like you're sipping on a pina colada. It is really decadent. Awesome. I love it. Geo F Chumper's famous glycerin-based almond hard shaving soap with a distinctive sweet and nutty fragrance. It's suitable for normal to dry skin. Well, that's all I got, guys. If you haven't already done so, check out the world of Geo F Trumper. We're happy to have it here at Razor Emporium. If you have used Geo F Trumper, tell me below in the comments what your favorite is. I did hear last time we didn't have Eucharist. We have Eucharist now, so maybe you'll say that's your favorite. Tell me below in the comments if you're into enter a comment you're interested in one of these, the Razor Emporium official black and blue t-shirts. That's all I got today, guys. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.